All right, and welcome. Welcome to Cosplay Academy, turning your passions into passive income. I am your instructor, Charles Stark, and I am so glad that you are here. I am so glad that you invested in this mini course. And we're just going to explore the world of turning your passions into passive income using social media, particularly YouTube. So I just want to say thank you. You can contact me on Instagram at Charles Stark there at the bottom. You can always send me an email, starksfoundry@gmail.com. If you have any questions or you need any additional training, we have that available. But let's just go ahead and jump into the course. Make sure you have a pen and paper. You're definitely going to want to take notes. There's some good stuff in here with some calls to action that will help you produce passive income on social media, but particularly YouTube.